Okay, guys, how's everybody doing over here, huh? So we're back, Jack, with the second video about the TLC Roku TV 32-inch LED Smart TV 720p 3 HDMI 1 USB port. So in the first video, as you guys know, I did kind of an overview review, went into the settings a little bit, and now I'm going to tell you about the incredible Roku Channel. So let's get to it. The Roku Channel, your home for free and premium TV. A lot of great free TV here, guys. Live TV. Starts us right off with a bada bing, bada boom about how to train your dragon. I honestly always wanted a dragon, so now I know if I get one, I'm definitely going to watch this. They say it's the weekend pick. And here's other featured stuff. Cold Case, that was a popular show. Shark Week. Twilight. If you guys like Twilight, I'm not a big fan on it. I like vampires, but real ones from Blade or Lost Boys. But I know people like Twilight. They go Google and Gaga for it. You can actually watch all 5 of the Twilight movies for free on the Roku channel. That is ridiculous, guys. And just to let you know, here's the first one loading. It tells you about what the movie is. It'll play. That's pretty good, guys. All right, so let's go back out of the Twilight saga. And all these other great things. Wrath of the Titans is a movie you can watch. They're just doing features. A Forensic Files, big TV show. It was actually on 3 episodes, guys, back in the day. Bewitched, that was a big TV show. Highway to Heaven, great positive show, guys. If you've never seen it, I highly recommend it. That actor right there, man, he was the writer, director, acted in it. A lot of good stuff. New this month, these are some new releases. Dangerous Minds, so we got some good classic movies. There's Seabiscuits, Assassins, you got Stallone there peeking, and Banderas. Mark Wahlberg, that's when he used to be a gambler. Recommended for you, so in time this will cater towards your likenesses, kids and family. And then again, there's premium ones they try and sell you on. Live TV, which we'll get into, guys. That's having your free live cable. Recently added Skins, Leverage, The Tick. That was pretty cool. Helix. Helix is actually an awesome, guys, underrated sci-fi series that lasted 2 seasons. It's incredible. It's kind of like a mix of Aliens and I forget what else because I haven't watched it in a few years. It was 2004, 2015. You guys, if you like horror films, you got to watch this. This is actually a great series. And you get both seasons. This is a ridiculously great series. All right, let's go out of that, guys. So again, all these different sitcoms. These are like classic sitcoms here. Bewitched, who's the boss? I'm the boss. Who you talking about, huh? Dennis when he was a menace. Rules of Engagement, I Dream of Jeannie. Alf, dude, you get Alf for free with the Roku channel with this Roku TV, the TCL. Facts of Life, Growing Pains, Third Rock, News Radio. I mean, come on, guys, forget about it. This is ridiculous. Who's the real McCoy? I'm the real McCoy. I'm telling you how it is. All right, some fantasy stuff. Merlin, Donnie Darko, Ender's Game, The Librarian. There's a movie about someone who want to be a librarian. What's going on here? Adventure, classic Batman, Bonanza, Charlie's Angels, some Star Trek stuff. Heart to Heart. Let's see. More TV. Here's some series. Reality shows. People like reality shows, right? Mysteries. There's Forensic Files again, I told you about. Dead Zone. Get some repeats in there. That's all right, though. Some educational stuff. Learn about dinosaurs. They're actually telling you dinosaurs are alive. I told you they're still alive. I mean, I know they're prowling an island somewhere. I saw that last movie with Chris Pratt. He said they were all just hanging out on an island. So, educational maybe where they're at. I'm getting ridiculous of people not believing in dinosaurs and saying they're fake. And a lot of movies, they use fake dinosaurs instead of real ones to save money. That's ridiculous. That's a whole other story. SAG needs to get involved with dinosaur rights. There's some crime stuff, some action. Okay, guys, so let's go back into the live TV I was telling you about. It's kind of like having your own cable or streaming. And this is ridiculous, guys. I mean, talk about... Oh, didn't let me hit the button. There we go. Live TV, guys. So here we go, guys. This is TV, over 100 channels. Lets you know what's on at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and so on. And it starts right here with Renegade. Here's a TV show I actually used to watch. You just click on it, bada boom, bada bing, and we're watching Renegade. And they're making moves on the phone. They're trying to probably do a hit on somebody. And then you can just scroll up and down. Here's a movie about, leaves and grass. That doesn't sound too interesting, though. Blitz, another Jason Statham film you're getting free. And then again, you can just, have this play on in the background and go to the left on the remote and just see. Went back too far, guys. Just trying to show you all the channels you get. So you get like all these free movie channels right here, as you can see. We'll just go through these. You get a lot of kids cartoons and stuff. This is really cool. If you got some kiddies to keep them occupied, this is like 10, 15 different cartoon channels. Now, I know you probably never heard of them, but hey, the kids will love this stuff. They'll think it's like the new, I don't know, Teletubbies or whatever you used to call them, or SpongeBob SquarePants or something. So really cool. And that plays in the background. Maybe you're looking for something else. You got some food channels, Bon Appetit, do-it-yourself channels. I mean, it goes on and on and on. GQ, some crime stuff, Dog the Bounty Hunter. I mean, there's a real legit show. There's Forensic Files again. You just click the button and it scrolls on it real quick. It tells you what the episode's about. Philadelphia Convention, 180 Legionnaires contract, and so forth. So there you go. You're watching Forensic Files. Let's see. Deal or No Deal has its own live channel. Family Feud, some game shows, buzzer beaters. This is pretty cool. This is a sci-fi channel that you get for free. It's called Filmrise Sci-Fi. This happens to be a cartoon, but I'm sure they have movies in it as well. This is the Japanese anime, I think. Total Wipeout, like those crazy game shows where people were doing backflips and jumping off rubber spongy things and flipping and stuff. Let's see, guys. Funny or Die, you probably heard of that. You actually get 3 MTVs, guys. So you can actually watch music videos. Here's the biggest pop hits. And this is, from Pluto TV to Roku TV. What Roku TV does, guys, and now it's not even going to show us a video. It's just doing whatever. So let's go to a block party, guys. Because you guys like to party hardy, just like to party. So yeah, they take Pluto TV, they take other live TVs, and that forms the Roku live TV. So that's why you're getting so many different channels, guys, all in one. But this is the beginning, and these are probably more channels that you guys are used to when you start at the hundreds. So here's ABS. You get live news. Some people like watching news 2020. As you can see, that tells you it's updated. Yeah, and you're getting, USA Today channel, Yahoo Finance. Get some stocks and bonds in there. Now here's a rodeo channel. Oh, all right, that's a little weird. Let's see, what else you got? Here's sports, best of sports today. So at least we'll get some sports from the gridiron. Talking about baseball. You're talking about Tony Pena, I think, or Tony Gwynn. I don't know. Maybe that was a couple decades ago. You guys actually get the Comedy Central channel. I mean, come on. You're getting Comedy Central, guys? What's going on here? This is a cartoon about ugly Americans. I don't think that they should make fun of them, but I think it's when they're actually dead and they come back from the life and then they haunt the people that weren't ugly. I'm not sure. And actually, I was trying to go to the left here, just give you examples. The Comedy Central, right now they're having a block on cartoons, looks like. But, again, you scroll all the way, to the right, and you can see all different TV shows, all different hours of the day. There's another MTV. There's CMT. They were having the Stone Cold Steve Austin, Broken Skull Ranch Challenge. I mean, you can watch that. And you go into the classic channels below it. Like Renegade again and all this other stuff. So this is ridiculous, guys. All the different stuff you can watch here on the live TV. And this is all on the Roku channel. So I think that's it, guys. Introducing you to live TV. And yeah, it's really incredible. All the free movies, TV shows, live TV. This is your own free cable, which, comes with this great TV, TLC, Roku TV built in. So any questions or comments, guys, leave it in the box below. I'm going to put a link in the description where you guys can purchase this on Amazon, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day, night, weekend. Enjoy it. Make the best out of it. Maybe pick up this TV today and then just enjoy life. That's what I say. See you later. Sayonara. Hasta la vista, baby.